Distinguished guests, welcome back. We will continue with the country reports, and we would like to remind you that the presenter will have 15 to 20 minutes for the presentation. And now we would like to invite our speaker from Taiwan to give the country report. A round of applause to our Taiwanese speaker.
Our honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm Chen. The pleasure is all mine to share with you some of research results and future prospects of ILOC, Institute of Labor, Occupational Safety and Health. ILOC was established in 1992. Under the Ministry of Labor, we have 48 researcher scientists in 6 divisions. Division of Labor Market, Labor Relations, Occupational Safety, Occupational Hygiene, Occupational Health Assessment, and Division of Exhibitions. The annual research budget is about $7.4 million each year. What we need for the Institute of tomorrow is the ability to make the workplace better and the labor much more healthier. To fulfill this vision, ILOC continuously incorporates new techniques and technologies into our occupational safety and health research, solving the problems with innovative thinking and our passion. Let me introduce some of our recent research results for you. One of the goals of Division of Safety is to strengthen workplace safety protection and awareness. In addition to the traditional construction frame safety study, recently, we also conducted safety research on solar photoelectric systems and offshore wind farms, both our nation's very important electrical power policy. As we all know, new technologies also brings new problems and occupational safety and health challenges. So therefore, safety research is needed. This is the application of AR, VR technologies. As you can see in this picture, our boss is really look forward, very important for this research. Our Mr. Xu and Director Liu, they are building a VR project for safety education and training. For the Division of Occupational Hygiene, we focus on the development of control measures and techniques. As we know, musculoskeletal disorders are the most prevalent occupational diseases here in Taiwan. I think maybe around the world. We have worked on these problems for more than a decade. Through collection of 3D and slow pumps data, labors here in Taiwan, establishment of intervention measures, publishing guidelines and guidebooks, and doing promotions. Now, this project has consulted more than 400 factories, 1,200 workplace redesign. The performance is very good, as you can see from this figure. The labor's joint complaint force reduced. Labor's complaints also reduced. In this division, we also develop noise control techniques. For example, we invent these acoustic materials for insulation, which is very light. It can reduce noise from the source, 89, to the receiver, 57 decibels. We can reduce by more than 30 decibels, very significant in this case. However, for the low frequency noise, we needed to develop active noise control system. As for in this in-tube noise, our system can reduce noise up to 15 decibels. This is a platform in our website. Some of the data are connected to our National Central Weather Bureau, nearly real time. And this is the WBGT, categorized with the color. Later on, in the laboratory tour, we will show you our air curtain ventilation control device. With the use of air curtain, you can see from this picture, the smoke goes very well into the food. Otherwise, it will come out and pollute the workplace. We also set up our own mask and courtesy testing system. In the division of hazard assessment, we have established more than 200 environmental sampling and analytical methods. We also invented our own instrument for sampling, such as this one is a personal nanoparticle sampler, which has been transferred to the TSI companies. And this one, carbon nanotube personal sampler. We also have a new patent, particle atomizers, win this year's gold medal of Taiwan Expo Innovation Contest. In this division, we also studied at the article survey, job stress, burnout, and do health promotions. The last one is our division of exhibitions. Promotes our research results through diversified exhibition activities, publishing academic journals, and doing patent and technology transfer. Sometimes we plan our exhibitions cooperating with the experts from the national museums. I will show you two examples. As you can see, this is Miller's very famous painting, the Gleaner. The farmers bend their back and collect the millets. Through cosplay and image embedded, we want the laborers and visitors to acknowledge the aqua pasture and low back pain. Please click this picture. Please enjoy. 30 seconds. Maybe the visitors, the laborers will feel they are in the picture, they are in the painting. Okay, thank you. Later on in the exhibition hall tour, maybe you can see this in more details. The next one is the nick of time, please.
Huh? What the? Who started the machine? Oh no!
See you soon, young man.
I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die!
Okay, thank you. It's a shock. As mentioned before, incorporating new techniques into our occupational safety research is always one of our priorities, especially in the future. For example, we invented this new helmet to reduce the heat inside the helmet, and we make it better with intelligent and sensing technology. Maybe next time we meet, I can show you our new product. We try to incorporate artificial intelligence into this BIM system for the safety of construction projects. We want, but not happen. This is an application of image recognition technology to improve unsafe human behavior and facilities in the future. We try. As we know, cross-domain talents is very important in the future. For example, applying the VR technology into the safety and health education. We need VR talents and occupational safety health talents together. So to enhance this value, we try to, we are constructing an inter-domain training course on IoT and OSH together. Yeah. And this project is an IoT-related project. This project is trying to establish a smart continuous monitoring systems for harmful gas concentration. Yeah, we are trying now. we hope it will work to reduce the occupational diseases in the future. With all our efforts, the good news is the occupational incident rates reduced year by year and to a historical low, 2.773. Maybe not really low. Huh? Do we make the workplace better and the labor much more healthier? I think the answer is no, not yet. We still a long way to go, lots of job to do in the future. We wish this incident rate will reduce in the future further. And we also wish all our honored guests have a really, really nice day here in Taiwan. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So now we would also like to open the floor for questions or comments. So anyone who would like to ask any question to our representative from Taiwan, please raise your hand. So any questions? Or if you have further questions, we're going on the tour later. You can also raise your questions during the tour. So once again, thank you very much. And now we're going to proceed with the visit program. Later, we're going to visit the iLodge exhibition and the iLodge laboratory. And our Chief Secretary He Junjie will be responsible for guiding us on the tour. So this is Mr. He. So he is going to take us to the tour. And you can leave your belongings in this conference room where we will be coming back. So Mr. He, would you like to say anything? Would you?
Sure. Welcome.
Please.
And later, I will suggest you leave your personal belongings here and just follow me. We have about 20 to 30 minutes to introduce the exhibition hall of the iLodge. Okay? So now, if no question, so. Okay. So, well. Later, we have visited the laboratory together. Then, and if is there any question? So, if we, sure, no problem. Okay, so let's move to the exhibition hall. Please just follow me.
All right, please follow Chief Secretary General He and also leave your belongings here. Feel free to bring your phone or your cameras or your notebook. And our staff will guide you along the way. So over here, please. Thank you.